Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Bitcoin and Ethereum all-time high. We are going to see what is happening with Elrond, and I am going to give you 3 altcoins which I'm watching right now and I will buy in as soon as they break out. So if you're interested, stay with me. Before we dive in, just the usual, my name is Sabi and I'm here to help you with crypto. You should use a VPN. If you can't find one, there is one in the description. Also, if you want to get in contact with me, Twitter, Discord, everything is in the description. Feel free to write me a message, tweet me, anything you'd like. Also, if you would press the subscribe button, that would be a huge help and I would be truly grateful. We are at the Bitcoin price chart right now, and as you can see, Bitcoin broke the all-time high. Now it went up to the 68,000s. Right now we are at the 67,600. It doesn't really matter, and it seems that the previous all-time high is holding the price. Now I don't think that we will see a big decline from here, but I always try not to say these kind of statements because anything can happen. But right now what I see is that Bitcoin is taking a small break. Maybe it will give some time to the altcoins to rally a bit, and then it will take back the momentum and it will start to go up again. Now in the meantime we have to be careful because this is the 9th of November, and usually between the 15th and the 25th of the month there is a small correction, small decline. Bitcoin, altcoins, everybody. This is not really a rule, it's more like statistics. Obviously there are always exceptions. In the meantime, Ethereum also broke the all-time high. We are at the 4,800, almost 4,800. We already touched that and went over. I am very happy to see that because, as you know, I have Ethereum and I know that some of you also, and Steven is staking Ethereum, so I'm happy to see that Ethereum is going up. Now the prediction for Ethereum usually is between 10, 15, 20 and 25,000 for this bull run. I hope that they will be right and we can see some pretty good gains in this bull run. My strategy is that I'm gonna start taking profits on Bitcoin from the 75,000, and that is where I will start to slowly sell some Bitcoin, and I will probably put it back in Elrond when the price is right. For Ethereum, my target is to start taking profits at the 10,000. When it reaches the 10,000, maybe 8,000, I will start to sell some of it because I'm not trying to catch the peak. I think that's nearly impossible. You have to be extremely lucky. I'm just trying to get a pretty good average, and with Bitcoin and Ethereum I'm still well in the profits. To be honest, I wasn't in a minus even when it came back to the 30,000s and the 1500s. Therefore, yeah, for me every cent it goes up is in profit, and I'm not trying to be greedy here. I'm just trying to look at it realistically, and this is what I think will happen, and these are the prices when I start to take some coins off the table to make sure that I exit the market properly, safely, and with profits, not with big losses. Elrond is at the $320. Now this is very interesting because Elrond usually goes down a bit after it reaches the all-time high. We could see that several times, but now it goes sideways, and that is because of the Maiar DEX. I know that many of the people already claimed their max, more than 60% by now, I think, and I think everybody is waiting what will happen when everything launches, when people can provide liquidity, when you can farm the max, and so on. Therefore, I do think that in a short term, however, I don't like to make these type of statements, we will see another leg up, and I think the price target will be the $450, and from there we will have a small correction. Now the altcoins I watch, and this is mainly based on the trading analysis, because I usually like to check up on the altcoins, and I wouldn't buy any altcoin with a weak project behind. But when I say the altcoins I watch, that is mainly on the trading analysis. And because I know that many people are watching the trading analysis, they are watching the resistances and support, I know that there is a big jump or pumps. I don't like to say pumps and dumps, but let's say rally and correction happening on those coins. Therefore, my 3 altcoins which I'm watching right now are the following. First is XRP. XRP is going to, maybe not right now, but it is set to break out from this very big symmetrical triangle, and the price target for that is the 2.8. If you want to check how much is that, that is 116%. Now this is something which I can't really neglect. This is something which we need to ride. I will try to ride it, and as soon as it is out of this symmetrical triangle, and usually it goes like this, it goes out, confirms, and then up, and probably this will be the moment I buy in. I just need to see that the price holds this support/resistance. Next one, which I'm very happy to talk about, is Orn, because Orn finally broke out of this very big consolidation triangle. I do hope that this previous, I don't know, small all-time high or something like that won't stop it. Now it's at 9.272. This is a pretty good price, and since it is out of this triangle, I am waiting for it and I expect it to start moving. And as you can see down here, the volume is starting to build up, and yeah, I hope that we will see some pretty good gains from Orn. As I said previously, my expectation from Orn is at least to go back to the all-time high, which is more than 2x, 2.5x. So yeah, this is good. The third one, which I'm watching right now because it is trying very much the all-time high, is Terra Virtual Coin. And yes, it already rallied pretty nicely, but we are now in this metaverse virtual hype. Therefore, I do think that if Terra Virtual Coin breaks this high, I'm not talking about this because this was at the listing, so let's just forget about this. For me, TVK's all-time high is this 0.4 level. So if Terra Virtual Coin breaks this line and comes back and confirms, so again something like this, I am expecting it to go up, and I will buy in somewhere here. Maybe a small amount here. I will watch where it goes, what it is doing, and when it corrects itself and the price turns again on the smaller time frames, then I will buy in with a bigger amount and just watch where it goes. And very important, when you sell and buy these coins, when you trade, always set your stop losses, because technical analysis is not 100%. You need to have a bit of knowledge and a bit of luck, and if you have both, that's great. If you don't have one of them, yeah, with the luck you could also manage it, but yeah, you should have stop loss, otherwise things could turn ugly. This is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button, and I will come back a bit later this week to talk about strategies, because strategies are all written up and we need to talk them through, how to act, what to do, and how to proceed in order to make the best out of the Maiar exchange, max tokens, and Elrond liquidity pools. Thanks again for watching. See you tomorrow.